My name is Kyle Cornway and I'm the purchasing lead for Laybon Developments. I just enjoy the construction field. I always have. The rentals here just provide another aspect of that. So whether it's multifamily or single family, it's always evolving, as you can imagine, with technology and green building practices and everything that we as builders have to continue to maintain and stay up to date on. So our building here, it's obviously almost coming up on 20 years old now. So we're just trying to ensure that we can reduce the energy usage wherever possible. Some of the things that we've done already is we've changed out all of our lighting to LED lights. As our units become available, and we'll actually go and retrofit the unit itself with all LED lights, and that gives us the opportunity to do any kind of energy upgrades at that same time.
My name is Pat Burns. Presently, I'm the chairman of the condo board. I guess as a resident owner of the building, I have a stake in our surroundings and the operation of the building. So that has led me to learn knowledge of operating a board and dealing with resident owners, and it is something I care to do. Our participation in the audit is primarily for the benefit of the 72 unit owners that we have in the building. We felt it was a good time to be looking at it, but obviously this building is operated far beyond light bulbs. So we're interested in learning just what can be done and trying to minimize our operating costs of the building.
We thought doing an energy audit is actually a great opportunity for our organization. For the audit, they were looking for what kind of lighting we have, appliance questions, some plumbing questions, low flow faucets and shower heads. We also dove into the mechanical systems that we have down in our mechanical room here for the entire building. Like, everything's always changing, just like anything. Appliances are changing, more energy efficient. Because of the 20-year-old time span here, we are reaching the end of life for some of our equipment, so it does provide us the opportunity to ensure that we're making the right decisions moving forward.
Well, I think what I saw today was the possibilities of the different things that could be done. Because we are not trained energy people, we're just retired individuals that are serving as a volunteer board. We anticipate expertise to come our way to help us.
If you guys are interested in learning more about energy saving tips for buildings, check out reddeer.ca/energywise.